Hello everybody, a super unconventional video this week because we've been traveling to Madrid, and when we were on the train, when I was editing this video, there was, I didn't know where my SIM card was. So I'm actually making a video, full YouTube video from clips that I have on my phone. And so it's going to be a little wonky, but bear with me. This recipe is really delicious. It's one of my favorite go-to recipes. The chocolate lovers will love this one. It's sort of a double chocolate loaf bread with some walnuts. So it should be really good. Right now we're in Madrid. We're in our Airbnb a night before we go to our hotel, right next to the airport. And then from there, we will finally be boarding our first flight back to the States. So it's very exciting. We're both ready to go home. We're also going to enjoy the last sort of 36 hours we have here abroad. Enjoy some of the food. And yeah, so I really hope you enjoy this recipe. It should be really easy, delicious to make. And if I can do it with shitty blender, you definitely can do it with whatever you got. So enjoy. To start this recipe, we're going to soak 12 medjool dates and defrost 2 ripe bananas, or just have 2 ripe bananas ready and prepared to be blended. Add to a high-speed blender of choice, in addition to 2 flax eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract with 3/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. If I can do this in a pretty inexpensive blender, soaking really helps. You can do it at home as well. Blend until really nice and smooth. Combine all of the dry ingredients, which I will leave in the description for you all because there are very many. Sift the ingredients, mix it just a little bit gently with a spoon, and combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients until homogeneous. Add chopped walnuts and vegan chocolate chips of choice, and combine until the flour has been saturated with all of the wet ingredients and the add-ins are really nice and incorporated throughout the entirety of the dough. In a greased and ready with parchment paper loaf tin, add all of your dough combination, your dough mixture. Flatten out with a spatula, give it a knock on your kitchen counter to release any air bubbles. With a knife, just gently drag it across the top in order to allow the loaf to rise correctly, and place the loaf in a preheated oven, 350 Fahrenheit, 180 C, and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes, turning it halfway. And then cut it up into however many slices you'd like and enjoy. This loaf will last about 3 to 5 days at room temp, 10 days in the fridge, and frozen up to 3 to 4 months. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Have a good one.